How to turn a PNG into SVG in Cricutdesignspace. Step 1. In Cricutdesignspace, click on Upload, select Upload Image, then drag and drop the file. Step 2. Select Complex Image Type, then click Continue. Step 3. If your design has multiple colors, create different files for each colors. To begin, zoom into the image. Step 4. Choose the Select tool under Manual, then click on the areas of the image you want to remove, leaving out one single color. Step 5. Zoom out to make sure that you got everything, then click on Preview Cut Image. Step 6. If there are elements left that you want to delete, select the Erase tool under Manual and set the eraser size. Step 7. Go ahead and remove the areas you don't want, then click on Hide Cut Image. Step 8. Click on Apply and Continue, select Cut Image, then click on Upload. Step 9. Click on Upload Image, drag and drop the same image, select Complex, then click Continue. Step 10. Select one color to focus on, then click on the areas you want to remove. Step 11. Repeat the same process until you've removed all the elements you do not need for the second image, then click Apply and Continue. Step 12. Once you've uploaded all the images, select All, then click Add to Canvas. Step 13. Arrange the design in the canvas. Step 14. To change the color to match the original design, select the first image, click on the Color Swatch button in the Operations section and select a color. Step 15. Repeat the same steps for all the other images. Step 16. Once you're happy with the colors, select everything together and resize it. Step 17. And your SVG design is ready. For more such help and information, visit us at www.manimaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.